August the 15th, 2022, and the Braves and the Dogs are still the champs. Let's go. Today, we have a 2022 Oxford White Gen 3 Ford Raptor, INDORAPTOR, right outside my office. We're about to go take it out back behind the dealership and do a little mild off-roading to show you what we're working with. Let's ride. And look what I have right outside my office, y'all. INDORAPTORs everywhere. And there we go, the Gen 3 INDORAPTOR. Didn't paint a lick on it, but it's super legit. The 2022 year model, this still has the blue interior. This is not a 37 package, so it's an option now on the 22s to get the Recaros in black or blue. So we got blue Recaro and it's got black, a difference between the 21s. Black on the side there with the coat orange stitching. Jumping in this bad boy. What about the 12-inch touchscreen and all the creature comforts you would expect out of a luxury truck is found in a premium off-road truck. I love the Raptor, y'all, for the ride quality, amenities, for the performance, for the capability. To me, it's the perfect everyday vehicle, and of course, the off-road special. 360 camera action over there. You got your backup camera. The 360 camera, you can push that plus button and hit the corners, and it'll zoom in on whatever particular quadrant you'd like. A straight backup, even with the grid lines. Do you see our lights in the reflection of the glass? Check out our ADD bumpers, the lights in the front. Boom, 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 boom. We got a strong lot lineup right now, y'all. F450s headed to Miami. Got Everest Edition coverts right behind the dealership. The Brad Akins YMCA and exercise daily back here. It's a blessing to have this right here so close. Another reason why Akins is the best. I've seen me do so many videos back here. It's just a really cool industrial spot that has a little bit of everything going on. Different angles and articulations and types of terrain. The proving grounds behind Akins Ford and Wild Willies in Winder, Georgia for our latest rendition, y'all, of the 2022 Ford Raptor non-37 package, but we turned it into with our INDORAPTOR package, and not a lick of paint work on this one whatsoever. I had to do a Ranger today, a Roush F-150. Let me say I had the privilege of doing a Roush F-150 today, a Ford Ranger Everest Edition, now my second Ford Raptor for the day. So you know I had to rock the Ford Performance EcoBoost swag, y'all, to show you really what this truck can do, because it is the truck of all trucks for everyday driver and off-road capability. As you saw at the beginning, blue seats on a non-37 package that we transformed into our 37 package INDORAPTOR edition. Well, up front, the most bold and dominating thing is the Addictive Desert design honey badger front and rear bumpers with the front bull bar hoop with a 30-inch rigid light bar tucked in nicely in between the bar and your bumper there. A 20-inch Rigid Industries LED light bar behind the honey badger design, looking amazing. Two 10-inch rigid LED light bars behind either side as well as the rear of this bumper. What I love about the Addictive Desert design bumpers, y'all, is they look so premium, they look so factory-inspired while also having that off-road aftermarket vibe to it. Just a great balance. Look at the high approach angle up front. So you've got the factory bumper came down in this lower area here. As you're approaching an object, you have just much more cumbersome time articulating over that obstacle when your approach angle is not as tall as it is with this bumper. So I love that about this bumper. And my thought process was not painting this one at all and not painting the bumpers so it flows nicely with our side fender flares and all of our non-painted parts that we usually love to paint. We have the RPG 1.5-inch bottom perch collar level kit on our amazing 3.1-inch Fox shocks that are truly so plush and premium ride quality, even more so than the Gen 2. Let me know if your thoughts are on that. We're a legit 37, 12.5, 17 Toyo Open Country mud terrain tire, that true mud terrain gnarly tire with the new Method MR703 with a new bead grip to it, so it acts kind of like a bead lock. Mile to wild scale is slightly past the mid-level range with that zero offset, puts it in that money setup for the Raptors to me. Still very off-road capable, looks just like a Georgia Bulldog, a national champion Georgia Bulldog at that, and just an aggressive stance with that front bumper looking so menacing, gives you much more aggressive appearance and off-road capability at the same time. Stubby antenna, a 7-inch stubby, just to clean that up. We did not modify the rear suspension whatsoever, but we did add a nice American flag accent on either side there. A good look at the Honey Badger bumper here on the rear with, again, the 10-inch rigid light bar on either side and the D-Series lights, which are tied into your reverse function. So when you hit it in reverse, great lighting, and these here on the side are on their own independent auxiliary switch. A good side shot for you. We have rigid rock lights under each wheel well for that nighttime visibility with a 360 camera, a great benefit, along with a undercover trifold bed cover. We typically do a retractable style, mostly a powered, but we said let's do just a nice trifold Ultraflex here because a clean and simple build deserves a clean and simple bed cover. And I truly love this one. It's very rugged yet refined as far as on-road quality, and of course off-road. This thing is a true beast. I would love to take this off-roading with great confidence. As far as your departure angle, you can also notate you're not picking up a lot on the departure angle. The factory rear bumper is pretty well taking care of that. Your exhaust is the thing that hangs down the lowest. Before we end this video, I'm going to pull up here for one more angle.